welcome back to my video. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Tsania Nurazizah and I'm from class 1B of pharmacy. In this video, I will talking something about drug interaction and drug toxicity. Guys, have you ever considered that the habit of drinking milk while taking medication could actually render your treatment ineffective? In the field of pharmacy, this phenomenon is known as an antagonistic drug interaction. One of the most common examples is the interaction between milk and tetracycline, a broad-spectrum antibiotic that acts bacteriostatically by inhibiting bacterial protein synthesis. Tetracycline is typically used to treat various conditions, ranging from severe acne to urinary tract infections. However, its effectiveness is highly dependent on the environmental condition within the digestive tract at the moment the medication is swallowed. The primary issue with this interaction lies in the pharmacokinetic process, specifically during the absorption stage. Milk contains calcium, a polyvalent cation that chemically reacts with the molecular structure of tetracycline. This encounter forms a complex chemical bond known as a chelate, which is insoluble. Because the tetracycline molecules become trapped with this large chelate structure, they cannot penetrate the intestinal membrane to enter the bloodstream. This is critical because tetracycline requires an acidic environment for optimal absorption. The presence of milk not only forms a physical complex but can also increase gastric pH, further hindering the drug solubility. The main risk of this interaction is serious therapeutic failure. When the drug levels in the blood fail to reach the minimum inhibitory concentration, or MIC, the bacteria are not eradicated but instead adapt, leading to antibiotic resistance. Furthermore, it is important to note that tetracycline has a high affinity for tissues undergoing calcification. If consumed alongside calcium over a long period or administered to children under the age of 8 and pregnant women, there is a risk of permanent deposition in the dull tissues, causing brownish discoloration and the inhibition of skeletal growth. Therefore, the correct method of administration is to take tetracycline on an empty stomach, ideally 1 hour before or 2 hours after a meal with a full glass of water to prevent esophageal irritation. If you wish to consume milk, calcium supplements, or antacids, ensure a time gap of at least 2 to 3 hours. By adhering to this dosing interval, we ensure that the tetracycline molecules have the opportunity to be fully absorbed systemically before interacting with metal ions in the gut, thereby maintaining the antibiotic's efficacy and ensuring the infection is thoroughly treated.